Hi guys, I'm Chef Linga. Today we're going to make a hibiscus mocktail. Let me see now. We can make a hibiscus syrup. We can add some water and then add some hibiscus. We're going to make a syrup. Then add some sugar. Yeah, it's ready. Let me strain this syrup. Lemon and then some mint leaf, and the main ingredient, our hibiscus petal. Only we can take petals, and then muddling, add some ice cubes, and then take little bit lemon juice, and then or already make a hibiscus syrup. Take a 30 ml. And then shake nicely. Yeah, it's ready. Take some fashion glass and then add some mint leaf and slice lime, and then take some ice cubes, pepper, and then we can add this, and then add a leather soda. And then we can garnish this. Let me garnish, and then take a star. Let me taste it. Yeah, it's ready. Our hibiscus mocktail. You can make it in your home. It's a very summer healthy drink. We can see next video.